So I'll be showing you how to disable the keyboard toolbar on your Samsung phone. So anytime you have the keyboard like this, especially if you're using the Samsung keyboard, which is a default keyboard, there's going to be this toolbar at the top here. Now it has shortcuts for emojis, the clipboard settings, and all that. Now if you start typing, it shows you some suggestions and stuff like that. Now if you don't want to see this keyboard toolbar, you can disable it in the settings. So if you go to settings on your Samsung phone and then scroll down to general management, under general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and then in the Samsung keyboard settings, you should see the option keyboard toolbar. So you can disable it from here, and then you can confirm by tapping OK. If that toggle button is off, it means you've now disabled the toolbar. So now you can see we no longer have a toolbar. We only have suggestions, no toolbar above the Samsung keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.